I mean, you know, if I'm nervous, you must know this girl cutting off my hair. She must be some nervous wreck by this time, you know.
Want to do it all over the hair and then leave them like this? Yeah. Just all the way up there.
Listen here, Debbie. Listen, Debbie, you're not a stylist. I mean, this lady is a pro here behind
But
me.
you look nice with bushy pieces coming out on the
Bushy
side.
pieces. I think after I live in the bush, never mind bushy pieces.
But come on, let's see how it looks. This is going to be cool.
This is not cool, it's very hot in here.
There you go.
Oh my goodness. You know, this is a special offer for 650 rand for this wall copper. This wall copper. This your wall copper is a wall chipper, I think.
Oh, Steph, you look adorable. You look like a womble.
I know I'm adorable, you must know. I'm growing this hair so that all the girls don't spring on me, you know. Sprang on me, jump on me, what's the word?
Spring.
Spring, yes,
Yeah.
okay, you can go forward now.
You would have looked so lovely with a board.
There you go. This is what you're going to look like when you're 60.
Oh my goodness. You know, I'm going to sue Sue van Rensburg. That's why her name is Sue. I'm going to sue Sue because she's making me do this. You know Sue?
The head of cancer.
Cancer. No, it's not. It's my head here. Can't you see? Oh, but Sue's the head of cancer, yeah. Sue? I mean, you have this whole group here in a hypomanic state. So, I'm not sure. You must cool us down, please. Sue, stop this girl. Now.
Don't listen to him. Carry on. Take it
Sue,
away.
you must listen to me. Please, Sue. Sue. Sue, I'm going to sue you if you don't stop them. Sue, but this is hot. Don't stress. I'm stressing myself out here, you know. This is the most stressful event of the year. The lucky thing about all the stress and sweat is I don't have to go to the gym for the rest of the year.
Oh.
Yeah. But you must tell that to the Discovery Vitality program because I've exercised so much today and stressed so much I don't have to go to the gym anymore. Sue, will you tell them that, please?